Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm featuring another quick and easy card. Today I'm going to be featuring the Picture Perfect Party Suite, and actually it's really more of the design series paper. I really wanted to make a quick card, and I feel like this design series paper make it very easy. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, it's the one that is 6x6, and from one side you get all the bright colors and from the other side you get all the pictures. So I feel like this one is super cool and makes it very easy. So I'm using my card base as 5.5 and 8.5. I'm going to be folding it in half with my bone folder, and I have already cut. Now this part, like I said, it's a 6x6, so I decided to cut it at 3 so I can have two cards out of one sheet. And this one is, let me just get my, I believe it's 5 and yeah, 5x3. And then I have this piece that is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. So I don't know, as usual, I don't know if I wanted to make it like so. I don't think I like it this way. Or if I want to make it, yeah, I think I like it better if I center it that way. So again, this is going to be super easy. I'm going to be putting this piece of lemon lime, which this one is 4 by 1 inch. And then I'm going to be putting this thinlets, and I'm going to be putting this like so, like Celebrate You. What do you think? I think it looks really nice. So anyway, like I said, it's going to be a really easy one because I really want to just showcase the paper. I'm going to be gluing it with the design series, or with the fast fuse, sorry. And we're going to be, oh, what happened here? Oh, my fast fuse ran away. Just give me 1 second here. I should have more. Sorry about that. So you just need to put everything here. There we go. Alright. And by the way, this one is very burst cardstock. I will be putting this one here. And you know what? Maybe I need to cut a little bit. I think I want to have just a little bit of that. Maybe a little bit more. I just want to have a little bit of the green showing out, of the emerald amber, I should say. Alright, yeah, much better. So I just want a little bit of that. So I'm going to be putting this one here. And then I figure, like, these ones are, if you don't know which ones, where they're coming from, these are coming from the Celebrate You thinlets. And these are part of the celebration offering, yeah, Celebrate You thinlets. And what is really cool about is that these coordinate pretty well with another celebration item that is called Amazing You. This one you get for free when you purchase $50, and this one is one of those items that you get for free when you purchase $100. But I believe this one is going to carry over into the big catalog in 2018. And so definitely a great deal of getting it for free right now. So anyway, so let me just put this one, and I think I want to put it a little bit, you know, like curved in a way. So I'm going to be using my fine tip glue pen. Alright. And you've seen me multiple times using this. You know by now that I like putting a lot of this on my cards. Okay. So I'm just gonna hold it for a second. Whew. And like I said, this is supposed to be a really quick and easy, so it shouldn't take that much. In fact, guys, you can see there's really not a stamping involved in that one. It's just like cutting. So I think like this will be a perfect card to do multiple stuff and have them ready whenever you have a need for a birthday card or something else, you know. I love that Celebrate You can be used for anything else. Maybe a promotion or maybe retirement. So a lot of things for this card, a lot of uses, I should say. So as usual, please remember to close your glue as soon as you're done, so that it's ready the next time. Now the last thing that I want to put is a little bit of Wink of a Stella in the word you. And there's no let me just see. You know, there's I always use some Wink of a Stella on any of these things because I love how it leaves a shimmery. So I want to remark or the word you. So yes, I just got this pen. It's a brand new, and so it still takes a little bit of pressing to get the flow. Okay, but I love that it's really juicy right now, you know, so I also gotta be careful with that. As you have seen me, I love how the shimmery look from the Wink of a Stella. Wink of a Stella really is one of my favorite items in the Stampin' Up! Collection, because, you know, let's make it a special. So here it is, you can see it. Don't you like it? Anyway, so like I said, this was going to be super quick and easy, and here you go. Like I said, this item is out of the celebration offering, and there's no limit, so you can purchase $50 and get one of the stamp sets. You can get $100, you can get 2 of the stamp sets, or maybe one of the $100 items. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to look at or to visit my blog at www.creatingwithali.com, where you'll see all the information about this card and all the items that I'm using. And also in the description of this video, I'll put it there. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you soon.